Welcome everyone to Neverwinter on PC. My name is Rainer and today I will be releasing a new version of the Character Builder Plus, version 0.11.3. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. And if you would like to see more information or videos about Neverwinter, hit the subscribe button. So, it's been more than a month, I think, the last time that I updated the Character Builder Plus. I've been very busy with stuff, and I will also announce in due time why exactly, but yeah, I will let you guys know. I've also been working on the master worksheet, which I've updated as far as I can, and I probably will release that status also soon. But yeah, it's not done yet because I don't have all the info. I typically don't like releasing stuff that's incomplete, but yeah, sometimes you don't have any other choice. So as always, let's get back to the actual topic, this character builder. As always, we go through it via the change tracker, where I fill in everything that I did, basically the patch notes of this thing. We have a couple of to-do items that are still here. I have to check whether this is still bugged, probably not. Bard, special things, combat sim stuff, I need to implement that. We'll get to that in a second. And the Minsc companion equip power, it has some odd scaling. I need to figure out how it works exactly. But yeah, let's go to the things that I actually did do. So yeah, as I said, about a month and a half, 6th of August now. First thing in the list, I fixed actually, I think a couple of weeks ago already. What I got reported by someone is that if you equip the raptors, they actually started increasing your stats, your power and awareness every second. So it just kept going up and up and up and up until they were all 90. And if you hovered over this tooltip, you would see that the value of the raptors would just go up every second. I don't know how it happened. It broke. I fixed it. It doesn't happen anymore. I'm not gonna show you guys here, but you have to trust me on that. It's fixed. Then I added a buttload of stuff. The Vault of Stars, Hardcore Rings, the Band of Air, and the Ring of Darkness. 3 of the shirts and 3 of the pants. I think there's more, but they are not in collection, so I cannot add them. The companion gear from the episode 3 bounties, they were not in there just yet. I also added those. If I'm still missing something, let me know. Also, if you have the shirt and the pants that I didn't have yet, also let me know. I added some new logbox items, so the Pegasus, the Mythic one and the Legendary, and also Minsc, of which the companion equip power is not fixed just yet. So if we have Minsc here, what I did, it's the harder they something, the bigger they are here. So what I did is all of this is just a fixed number. This is not correct yet, this percentage, but yeah, I'll get to that. Then what did I also add? Yeah, the Neverwinter hub. It was locked on mod 20 when you upload files. If you go to my build and you upload a new file, oh yeah, I have to fill in the build. Let me load it into the builder first, what I have here, and then if you, yeah, fine. So if you upload it, this was fixed to 20, and now you can also select 21, and that will make it that also mod 21 builds will appear in this public builds here, so you can select mod 21 builds. It will probably select that one. Yeah, it will select the highest one, I think, by default. But yeah, we're in mod 21, so this needs to be updated, of course. So that's in there now. Yeah, this one was requested. Some people did not like this bright screen, which you could not get away. It was just here, very white, whichever what a visual theme you pick, it would always be white. I'm sorry for that. That's just how it works. It's a little bit annoying how this formatting thing works because of this all. But now you can just turn it off. So if you click here, show description box, if you uncheck this box, it will be gone, and you can just, if you want to change it, you can just make it appear again. So very easy, and it will be gone. If you restart the app, you have to click it away again, but I think that's okay. At least you can get rid of it now, and it will not be super bright, lighting up your eyes. Then the Waters of El-Azad, a Lantern of Revelation, and Aurora, a Whole Realms catalog artifacts, they now go up to item level 450. They were changed with mod 21, so you can see that here, item level 450, and the other two also. So they have a little bit different stats now. But yeah, that's fixed. The Sigil of the Bard, I added that one as well. So we now have the Sigil of the Bard with the stamina regen and some other stuff. Only goes to 300 for some reason, so the sigils are not updated. It's a little bit inconsistent, but what are you gonna change? Then we added some other companions, a Trienne and the Songstress. I missed the G here, but I'm pretty sure I did put it correct in here. So if we go to here, we have the Songstress, yeah, with these powers, and then we have a Trienne also with this stuff, and they also have, of course, equip powers and stuff. Yeah, so those are added now. I also added Minsk, by the way. That's from, oh wait, I also already showed you there, but it's also here, Minsk, of course, and you can read all the skills that he has if you want. But yeah, those are also added. This type I'm just gonna leave as is. Then I added an option to switch for the food between Legacy, Event Food, and the new version. So by default, if you load a CBF file, you will get the Legacy food, and this one is pressed. But if you unpress it, you just click on it again, you have the normal one. So you can just toggle it here. Maybe not the most clear interface, but quick and dirty. In the end, it should always be unchecked because the Legacy, oh well, it's gonna take a while until all the Legacy food is gone. But yeah, you can also see that. Let me just reset the builds. If we go to player stats and we select the Water Metal Sorbet, you can see that the non-legacy food has 5% in each. If you click this, you get 10% in each. And that's true for all of this. They all have different values if you have the legacy or not. I even did the same for the food that doesn't have a new value yet. At least I think we didn't get a new value. The tooltips, by the way, are not updated. Maybe I should do that. Yeah, but the tooltip depends also on whether you have legacy or not. But yeah, and then Nian Gao and Hot Wings and Seed Bread, they also have the non-legacy versions where they give 5% of each instead of 10%. And then for the last item on the list, I started with the global hotkeys. There was a request to get global hotkeys for resetting the leaderboard data. So if you're using the overlays for damage or leaderboard information, the pain giver information, for example, something like that, sometimes you are in game and you just want to reset it without switching to the character builder to another screen. You just want to do a quick key combination to reset it, to use this button. I've been putting some effort in that. So if we go to options now, we have a tab hotkeys. You can see I already tried a bit here. You have a very ugly screen here. I still need to update this. But yeah, I just made sure that I can select something. So if I press Shift, for example, and K, or Control L, or Alt, Control 9, all these combinations now work, and I can select that. And then, okay, I still have this notification also in there for debugging, but it will also show you that this is now here. You can save this and this will actually pop it back. I need to still register this in the app and in Windows that it will always be registered by the character builder so that this is actually picked up if you're not in the character builder. It all works a little bit funky, so I need to look into that. I will do that for the next version. So yeah, that's all the updates for this version. It's not that big of an update for a month being gone, but yeah, I've been doing other stuff, as I said at the start. So forgive me for that. But yeah, I will keep updating this tool, of course, as long as there's also updates of the game, which I think is gonna last for a bit more. Anyway, if you have any remarks in this video or any suggestions on what to do next, feel free to leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.